Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for some dishwasher detergent that is going to clean up the toughest messes, I want to show you this Cascade Platinum dishwasher packs. These things are awesome. So this is a pack of 62 ActionPacs. This is what they look like. They have the tablet here, and then they also have this liquid grease fighting components here, and it does have Dawn in the formula, so it's really good at tough, greasy, stuck on food. It works super well. So I found that in my dishwasher, even if I don't thoroughly rinse the dishes, but I use these, they come out super, super clean, and they're just totally sparkling, and it does an amazing job. I also appreciate that it comes in a big container. You get a lot of them, so you're not gonna have to buy more super frequently. And I just also appreciate the convenience of these little packs. You just pop one into the detergent container in your dishwasher, and that's it, you're good to go. So these are great, they work super well. They're really tough on messes and definitely get the job done, and that's my point of view.